Hello guys, I'm on Flight Radar 24 today, and today we're going to be looking some cool fighter jets on Flight Radar 24. And here we have the F-35 Lightning, the most popular fighter jet in the world. The F-35 is the fastest fighter jet. And it looks really cool, guys. And we also have some other fighter jets in the Gulf of Mexico. We have the F-5E. That one's 51 years old, built in 1974. And yeah. And we have another F-5E. That one's 50 years old, built in 1975. And I think those fighter jets are doing training around the Gulf of Mexico. And yeah. And we also have another fighter jet is the F-5F. We have the F-5F. And we also have another F-5E. That one's 50 years old. Yeah, I think all those fighter jets are training around the Gulf of Mexico. And yeah. We also have another F-5N training as well. And we also have another F-5E training as well. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. What is that plane on the radar? The F-35, the fastest fighter jet and the biggest fighter jet in the world.